Hey YouTube, I am back. I was trying to figure out how to make this video and I can get the full coverage, because this video is going to be how to wash clothes on your truck. Now, as y'all see right there, I found this from another YouTuber and I got it from off of Amazon for like maybe like $120, something like that. And what it does is it has two sides to it, and one side is for washing, the other side is for spin dry. Like, it might not dry your clothes, but it is spin dried, so it's not like soaking wet when you wash. So this top side, if you had it at home, would be where you would run the water faucet, and this side would be, let me move my hair out the way. On this side would be when it's spin dry, that's where the water will come out, you know, from the wet clothes. So this side controls the spin, this side controls the wash, and this side, like when it's time to drain spin, you can turn this switch to drain for it to drain faster, and then you could put the option for it to be a soft wash or a normal wash, like, you know, obviously if you got really dirty clothes. So I haven't even took the plastic off of it yet, because I wanted to wait to show you guys. Every time I get something I feel that another trucker can use, I don't use it until I'm ready to make the video. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna wait until I make the video, you know, to start opening it up. So, all right, I guess it really don't matter if I take the plastic off, but I'm gonna take the plastic off. And this thing fits on your bed too. I know y'all seen it in a couple of my videos, but I had it pretty much sitting on my bottom bunk at the bottom, so whenever I'm ready to use it, I can. So, and it looks like this can fit a lot of clothes too. It can fit a pretty decent amount of clothes. You know what this reminds me of? You know how you was little and your mama might have bought you like baby dolls and like fake kitchen sets? This is what this is reminding me of. So, okay, let me get my clothes. I'm gonna put my clothes in there and then I'll be back. All right, so let me put my light so that y'all can see. Now, for something like this, I would recommend having, you can get this from Walmart too. I would recommend having, I believe this is a 5-gallon, matter of fact it is, a 5-gallon storage. And this comes in handy too, guys, because there's times where I didn't do my shopping right, and like I ran out of water. So this is like water storage. You just never know where you'll be and you need water. I mean, it's pretty much like surviving out here. So you gotta have water in situations. And obviously this is going to be one situation that we definitely going to need water. So inside this thing looks pretty cool. So this would be the spinner where we can spin it. This is the spinner timer. Like I said, this helps it drain faster. I gotta do my nails, y'all, so excuse me. I'm about to do that after I finish washing. But yes, this is the normal wash, soft wash, then this is the timer. So since I don't have a sink, I'm gonna have to pour water to fill this up directly and put my dish detergent and let it spin a little bit and then start it. I'm sorry guys, it's not a 5-gallon one, but this is a 6 US gallon thing from Walmart. You get this from the camping section. So this thing is kind of heavy to lift up. Obviously it's water, so you know I'm strong, I'm able to lift it, but it is a little heavy because I have to pour it in by hand. So I'm about to start it. So all right, I'm gonna show y'all. Now I'm about to put in the detergent. So this not as big as your washer, but I'm still gonna put like a full cap. So I gotta put some more in here to make this a full cap. So I'm gonna pour it in there and then start it. So I'll be back. I probably need more. Like the way where you see is halfway. This is 6 gallons of water. So to really probably fill it up to the full mark, you probably need about 8 gallons if you want a full tub of water. But this is my first time using it, so I'll be learning right along with y'all. So let's shut it. And you got the hose on the side, because when it go into spin cycle, it's going to spin the water out. So you, wherever you know that you're at, it's just water, so it shouldn't hurt the ground. You put this outside of your window so it can drain out properly. All right, so let's start it and see what it looks like. So like I said, this one starts the washer. So obviously I'm gonna put it on the full 15 minutes because I want to try to get these clothes as clean as possible. So you turn it till you can't turn it no more, and this is the timer. All right, there we go. And this is what it looks like when it's washing. So now I gotta load the clothes. Now I got my clothes in there, and this is what it looks like as it's washing. I like this thing. This thing is gonna be great. Times where I don't feel like going to truck stops. Hell yeah, shit, this is real convenient. So this is going, and you see how the water is turning dirty. So it's washing. I guess you gotta kind of lay it out. I mean, that's a lot of clothes. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah. So you let that, I'll probably turn it back, put some more time on it. Let that do what it do. So after it finish, then I'll get back with the spin part. And I should have been washed because I still have more clothes to wash. Yes. Like, this is my little oven. I love this oven. So, yeah. But I'll get back with y'all. All right. So, my 15 minutes of washing has stopped. So, I thought this thing drains by itself through the 15-minute process, but it doesn't. So, pretty much, if you get this thing, when the 15 minutes are up, in order to get the water out, you have to turn this to drain. And you can hear it draining. So I guess you just let that drain until it's done. And pretty much is the process. And then you take the clothes out and put it in the spinner. Okay, so obviously if you had a lot of clothes, this is a lot bigger than the spin dry. So pretty much you're gonna have to wrap your clothes, like wrap them in a circular motion to put them in here, I'm guessing. So when you know, you turn it on, it's uniform to spin correctly. So now I'm just gonna turn. Oh shit, wait a minute, I'm sorry guys. I have to hook my hose up. Yeah, you have to hook this hose up because when it spins, it's going to drain out of that. So, I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I guess it doesn't spin when you open it, but once you close it, it spins. So, it's doing its job. Oh, shoot. Hey, you're going to need about 12 gallons to get a good wash, because I washed it, but obviously you have to have a rinse, like plain water to rinse the soap off your clothes. So I'm just doing this spin cycle to show you guys so I can finish this video. But I'm not going to hang it up yet because I'm gonna get 6 more gallons of water tomorrow and finish washing the correct way, so I'm not walking around with soapy clothes. That will break you out real quick, and I don't want to be walking around itching and all that stuff. So yes, just because you on a truck don't mean it can't be like home. Like I said, I got my potty, got my pot, I got my oven for cooking, got my refrigerator for food, you know, got my food storage. I had a bigger TV, but I don't want to have all that stuff because I don't watch TV at the time anyway. If I ain't driving, I'm sleeping. I don't get to do much, but I do have my little DVD player TV. So if I want a little entertainment, it might not be the biggest TV alive, but I'm not out here to have fun. I'm out here to make money. So yeah. And I got my home security system. So, yes, you know, just gotta make it comfortable for yourself, guys. So, I hope that helps anybody. I'm gonna see if I can pull the link and put the link. I don't even know how to share all that stuff, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. I need to do my hair next. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. Shoot, after I finish with these dang on clothes, I'm about to get my flat iron and flat. This stuff will kink up something terrible. Had a video I made, and I didn't realize how matted this hair had got. So I'm like, ew, but then again, I done look worse on a lot of these other videos. So, man, y'all done seen my good days, bad days, horrible days. I just be sharing it all with y'all because I ain't got no shame in my game. So, all right, y'all drive safe. You know, y'all stay good. And, yeah, I got to do these damn nails. Lord, chores. Deuces.